Hello, friends. My name is Dr. Rafiq Dar, your brain coach, and today I am going to explain a very important concept, and this is called toxic patience. As you know, patience is very beautiful thing because patience give you bravery, give you confidence, give you cognitive skills. But if you are in a toxic patience, then your life can be destroyed. So let me explain what is a toxic patience. So, when you are constantly adjusting yourself, forgiving, shrinking yourself to accommodate a person, and the person is not going to be accommodated, and he or she is not going to be changed, then you are in a toxic patience. And how basically it affects your brain and mental health. So when you are in a toxic patience, let me give you few important signs if you are in a toxic patience. First of all, when you communicate with a person and you feel tired after the conversation, this is one of the signs. Then if in a relationship you are always saying yes to the other person, that again you want to accommodate that person and you are not feeling good with such person, and if even after communication your energy is lost, you are not feeling well, your self-esteem is lost. So these are the important signs when you are in a toxic patience. Basically, how it affects your brain actually. So when every day if you are sacrificing yourself and the person is not going to be changed, you're more, there is no kind of dopamine release, you are not happy, you are always overthinking, and it will lead to a chronic stress because on the daily basis you are getting your stressor is active all the time, and you got into a cycle of chronic stress. And remember, if you are in a chronic stress, it not only affect your mental health, it is also affecting your physical health because chronic stress affect your immune system. And if your immune system is not working, you will always be feeling physically tired, ill, sick. And in addition to that, your mental health will also be compromised because due to the high level of cortisol, your cognitive brain area will be affected. You will be unable to decide properly, you will be unable to plan because your emotional brain area is active all the time. So let me give you a very important brain hack if you want to manage this toxic patients. So this technique is basically called as time limited waiting. That means if you are in a toxic patience, give yourself a very specific time. For example, you can give 1 month, 2 months, depending on the situation and the intensity. So you just think and decide that I am going to give 2 months. If the person is not going to be changed, I will leave. I will leave his or her company. So when you will even focus and decide this thing, your cognitive brain area will be activated. So that will be further focusing on the situation and giving you certain options and plans that, and again you will be able to assess your health as well, because in this situation before you are unable to assess yourself even. But when you will focus on the time limited waiting technique, then you will start even focusing on yourself that, oh, how much I lost time, money, my mental health, my emotions. Then your cognitive brain area will be activated, and then you will decide with logics if you want to be in this relationship or not. So you can try this technique, and this technique will enable you to decide good for you. I hope you got the concept, but still if you have any question, please write me in the comment section and definitely will answer.